I'm not happy.
Yeah, just like that. Tashika, this is the ugliest thing. This is the ugliest thing me ever see. This is the worst thing ever.
Hey guys, I'm Tashika and I'm here with my mom. And we're with 49 on the rating show. So today, my mom's going to be rating my festival outfits from 1 to 10. You ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Okay, let's go.
Push in your hand, Tash.
Okay.
Push in your hand. It's not too tight.
Oh, it's a bro. Ah!
So when you go get your hand in night, Tash, you have to stretch it down. I don't like them string sitting there, man. They're too difficult to put on. I go like how it fit for you.
It's so nice. Isn't it?
It fit nice. If it was a different color, it look better.
Like what colour?
Like maybe red, pink, purple, you know, those bright color. I don't like a checkers bag with it. No.
To put your carnival stuff in?
Yeah,
like...
but if I go with the checkers bag, it'll way to like with a jeans, like a jeans skirt or a jeans shorts. Or something
Not
like
to
a
carnival?
shorts. Yeah, you can wear to carnival, but not with this outfit.
Or you can wear it around your waist, like a waistband.
Yeah, but not with this outfit. You know, get me? It'll be beautiful in a different color, Tash. Very nice in a different color. I fit a nice. I give 10.
10 out of 10.
Tashika too thin.
So thin. I don't like it.
Thin.
It's literally see-through.
Yeah, but and it big. And it's a 6.
Size 6, guys. Look how big this
Turn on.
is.
Tashika, this cook can't wear no carnival or festival or what you want to call it. What kind of value? I don't know what kind of value you're going to wear this to go because every move you move some part of your drop out.
I feel like many plug a slip out.
You want to just slip out?
Festival is something where you go to enjoy yourself. Where there's music playing and you're supposed to jump up and...
You can't jump up into this.
Yeah, the plug a slip out.
The hat is the only thing that I give 10.
Really?
And the black side.
I mean... I have a bun, but I tried to
if
put
you
it
remove
out.
the bun,
Yeah.
the black, it will fit your the black part, you know.
With this outfit.
No, not with that outfit. Not with that outfit.
What about
yeah.
the dress?
That 6. For your beach cover up.
Yeah, but it's not a beach cover, it's a dress.
6, but not for carnival or festival. No festival, no carnival, no party, no nothing. Dash. Oh God. If the skirt was a pencil skirt, it would look nice.
You mean
like
longer?
wanna reach right here.
Ain't nobody going to carnival in something that long?
No, not for carnival, Tash.
For festival.
For festival, not for festival, but for wear normal. This is not ready for festival. Oh, I love the glass.
Everything look red. I can't see anything. This isn't red.
She call.
Put it on and look.
It call festival. What it call?
Festival.
Festival. Oh, yeah. No, this we blind you. But I like a startup, Tash.
Me either.
A startup don't even look like start on your breast.
I mean, at least it gives me a little
Tashika,
bit of boobage.
you can't tell it's a startup unless this person come close to you because it's so stretched out. It just look like a pattern. You don't do nothing, Tash. Me give 0.
I saw that comment, yeah.
Me give 0, Tash, and I have to ask me how much me rate it. 0, 0, 0.
Okay, let's go.
This not ready. This not ready, Tash.
At least it fits my bum.
Are you sure these are carnival festival fit?
It was in the festival section on the website.
It's a record. Does she come with 2 stick too? Where 2 stick for?
I don't know.
Clap. I got customer do one. Oh God. Not for. So what this for?
People from Catwalk that look like this ridiculous for me.
Turn on, Tash. Turn on, no? You sure you don't want us put it right around and make one dress out of
Oh,
it?
that sticker broke.
It's stick broke?
Yeah, in a
Yeah, it's stick broke. It's stick broke.
pretty little thing.
Turn on,
That's terrible.
Turn on. Why the man design? Who designed them here? Well, now, I can't find the next end. More and wrap you around. More and wrap it around your Tash. Make it look like it's a dress. Turn around the Tash.
I'm not happy.
Yeah, just like that. This is the ugliest thing. This is the ugliest thing me ever see. This is the worst thing ever. This is just. Me know what's this?
We had the outfit.
0.
The dress too?
0.
You don't like the colour?
No, it smells fishy.
It does.
It ugly.
This part could have been a nice top.
It ugly.
Okay, so this is an interesting video.
Very touch.
Yeah. But if you enjoyed the video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and let us know which outfits you want to see.